Hey dears, you turned into Zero Trade channel. It's Wednesday, which means a new trading week in the middle, and we have got positive results already. As usual, I suggest making a couple of trades and share some useful information. So, let's not waste any time and dive right into choosing a currency pair. According to my research, I've spotted some good potential in two pairs, and I suggest starting with one or that offers higher returns. Euro to Canadian dollar. I am going to find this pair on the trading view and take a broader look at the overall picture. So guys, here we can identify areas of support and resistance. I notice a small area where we are hitting, as well as a slightly higher area from which the price has reacted before. And these two zones are of particular interest to us at the moment. Additionally, we have a minor upward trend that was happening here. And now let's switch to lower time frame. I chose a 15-minute chart, and I already see a small downward movement with two resistance points. I also observe that the price is gradually approaching our support area, and upon closer analysis I noticed several points of contact, indicating a potential downward correction and continuation of the movement. And I suggest applying Fibonacci levels to the downward movement. We can see that after the downward movement, the price corrected towards the 06 level and then started moving down again. I stretched Fibonacci over the correction zone to determine the target value. I can observe that the price has once again reached the support area, after which it started moving up and reached the 07 level. However, I believe that the price will not stop there and will reach the golden level, initiating a downward movement. Additionally, by analyzing the RSI, I also see that the price is currently in a strong oversold area. Therefore, we need to relieve the indicator by pushing the price upwards towards the golden level. And it was logical to expect another upward movement from the current position. And guys, while our trade is in progress, let's discuss our topic for today. I got a lot of questions in my private messages on why do only a small number of traders manage to elevate their trading to a level of consistent earnings, and where trading becomes a source of income rather than a constant disappointment. So guys, I have an answer. That's because before you start making easy money that everyone expects in this industry, you'll have to go through a far from easy path. You will make numerous mistakes, each of which will cost you money. You will fall many times, and twice even more, losing money along with the way, but never losing the motivation to keep going. You will discover yourself and change your attitude towards trading. On top of all this, the difficulty lies in the fact that no trader knows how much time it will take. The truth is that 95% will not have the strength, patience to walk this path. When I was young and just entered the trading world, I quickly learned that only about 5% become successful here. And to tell the truth, it sparked great interest in me. What set these people apart from the other 95? If it's not intellectual abilities or the level of knowledge that determine successful trading, then what is it? I plan to find the answer to this question before I started trading, to assess my capabilities and decide whether to embark on this journey or not. But there is only one way to find the answer, to become part of that 5%. This video is not about making millions of dollars, but we'll talk about that later. It's simply my little experience and an attempt to explain how one can strive for stable trading. Everyone enters trading for money, for easy and quick money. They come with dreams and hopes of getting rich, leaving all their problems behind and achieving financial freedom, satisfying their ego and so on. But in the beginning, almost no one understands that it's precisely these dreams and hopes of easy profits, and it will drive most people out of this industry. Alright, let's pause our discussion for now and take a look at our trade that closed in a profit. We had a close call right at the last second, but we managed to end up in the green. So guys, I suggest going back to the chart and take another look. The price revised at the 7th level, but didn't quite reach the 6th one, and to tell the truth, it's a bit unclear to me why it moved like that, because the RSI and Fibonacci levels didn't quite align. But never mind, in my understanding, the only viable price movement now seems to be upwards, towards the golden level, means 061. Yeah, guys, I guess that it should be upward movement, so we are going up from the current positions. And let's continue our topic. Accepting losses. To survive in this field, a trader needs to learn how to handle losses properly. Without this skill, it's impossible to achieve long-term profitability. Just like in sports, we first learn how to fall correctly before anything else. To desire for more money, which is almost universal in the beginning, leads to a fixation on profits. With this mindset, traders become highly emotionally unprepared to accept and endure losses. No one likes making mistakes and losing money. Initially, it might seem like, well, okay, if I have some losing trades, it's not pleasant, but it's okay, I'll survive. However, during the trading process, it becomes clear that losing trades happen constantly, and that I'll survive notion becomes less realistic. Every time you enter a trade, you hope for profit, but most of the time those hopes are shattered. You end up in the negative, losing money. This causes psychological pain and negative emotions, which intensify with each occurrence. It's frustrating and annoying. There is no strength to endure them. Losses repeat, accumulate, and the psychological discomfort intensifies, giving rise to fear and self-doubt. Prolonged or significant losses can lead to stress, which may result in emotional burnout, depression, and make a trader lose the will to continue trading. The trader's dependency on the outcome of each trade expectation leads to experience emotions, and emotions drive us to make decisions. These constant emotional swings drain a trader's energy and leave no room for improving their trading skills. They are simply focused on trying to maintain their mental balance. I also got a lot of questions regarding how does the majority of traders attempt to solve this problem. Guys, we try to avoid losses and fight against our emotions. Is it possible? I think that it's a never-ending cycle. The desire to avoid losses, experiencing losses, triggering emotions, and struggling with them. Well, folks, we are back to our chart, and we see that the second trade was closing with a profit. 2 out of 2 trades in the green. Great start for today's video. At this point, I'm wrapping up the video. Thanks for being here with me. I want to remind you that every day I hold 2 sessions in my Telegram channel for public where I provide positive signals to you guys. And there are even more perks in the private channel. Follow the link, DM me, and earn more money. This is Mia. See you next time. Bye bye.